Ginger and lemon for weight loss. When you take ginger and lemon together for weight loss, you may be getting an extra boost for keeping your body healthy. Lemon juice may act as an appetite suppressant, in addition to containing high amount of vitamin C. How to use ginger and lemon for weight loss. Adding a squeeze of lemon to your ginger tea or ginger drink might help you drink more liquids. This may keep you hydrated and feeling fuller longer, possibly improving your weight loss efforts. Drink a healthy lemon and ginger beverage 2 or 3 times a day to maximize the hydration and appetite-suppressing properties of ginger and lemon. Ingredients: 1 glass of water, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon lemon. Instructions: in a saucepan, add a glass of water. Add ginger pieces and allow the water to boil. Once the water boils, let it simmer for 5 minutes or until the ginger flavor is absorbed into the water. Switch off the flame. Allow it to attain lukewarm temperature. Strain the ginger water. Add a tsp of honey and stir well. Add a tsp of lemon extract into the ginger water and stir well. Ginger water for weight loss drink is ready. Consume this drink daily once or twice before or after meals. Follow a healthy diet with small meals and exercise for better results. See the results in few weeks. Ginger has got lots of benefits. It helps in proper digestion and therefore helps in preventing constipation. It is mainly used in cooking and a common kitchen ingredient for various recipes. It helps in treating nausea and morning sickness. Ginger can be eaten raw or powdered and has various medicinal benefits. Ginger is commonly used to treat cold and cough. It helps in reducing blood sugar levels. It helps in lowering cholesterol levels. Since ginger aids in digestion and lowers cholesterol levels, this is the perfect ingredient to use in a weight loss drink. Ginger is also beneficial in controlling hunger pangs, and if hunger increases we tend to overeat, thus increasing our weight. Ginger helps and prevents us from overeating, and it aids in proper digestion. Lemon helps in cleansing our body from toxins, and I have used lemon in this drink to free our body from toxins. Ginger water, if tried, works well for losing weight, and along with ginger, lemon and honey, which are powerful ingredients in aiding weight loss too, have been added to make it a powerful drink. Important points on ginger water. This drink can be used twice a day before or after meals. Do not consume this drink with major health issues, and if you would like to, then do consult a doctor before trying. Always add honey and lemon once the ginger water has turned lukewarm. Ginger is added since it increases the temperature of our body and helps in burning fat fast.